Hey, how's it going, guys? And you gonna learn about error handling in JavaScript. So, first of all, we need to know what error is. So, error is a constructor function which do and work to throw an error. So, let me show you one. Throw new error. It's a constructor, and when we type that inside parameters what we want to throw, we can say error as a string. What we do is just type error. So what happened, it will take and say that it's an uncaught error. So we can also do like my first error. My first error. And one more thing which we can do is error on console. So see, it's an error now. So this is what this is what the work is of the error. So what we're gonna do now is revive that and think you only want 56 in the only the strings you want on this array, but you put 56 and you can see the 56 in the console. So this is what you don't want. So what we're gonna do is make an exception that will give you an error if it's wrong. So what we're gonna do, if type of value is not equals to string, then it will throw an error of this is not a string. So what happened, it will say that this is not a string, but we don't want like error handling like this. We don't want red in your console. So what we're gonna do now is make an try and catch block. There's another thing called finally. I will give it to take you to in later. So what we're gonna do, put that on try, and this is gonna do is try will execute this command. After that, if any error occurred, what this is gonna do, that catch, after that catch will catch the exception of that error. So what we're gonna do now is console dot log e. Now as you can see, this is not a string, and you can still use this to console dot error. Yeah. Oh man. When we do that, this is not in string. So this is how we do. And as we talk about try and catch block, we will also let you know what try and catch other things try and catch blocks can do. So let's begin. What we're gonna do? Try. I will go and throw a new error and pass the error as in parameter. We will console that error out and put new let's type error and I will suggest to do this to error e dot message, because e as is an object which has a property of message. So when we do that, it's gonna show the message. And if it is caught by an exception, what we're gonna do now is gonna finally, this is the command which will do after if it has an exception. So finally we can console that out finally. So inner oops, see. So this is what you do. I hope you understand this tutorial, and see you guys next time.